Hola, amigos! Back to EdieTV. Bimbi noodles! Today's snack attack is guacamole. Our onion, avocado, tomato, lemon. Let's chop them up. We got the lemon chopped up. We got the onion chopped up. We got the avocado chopped up. We got the tomato chopped up. And the surprise guest, cilantro. It's good to eat colorful foods like cilantro is green, tomatoes are red, the avocado is black, the onion is white, and the lemon is yellow. Muchos colores. That means lots of colors. We're doing Spanish. Wait, there is roja, and there's pink. That is called rosa. Rosana. Verde, blanco, also known as amarillo. We'll be right back from the words of our sponsors. Today's weather is sunny with a chance of rain, which makes a rainbow with cactuses and a little bird that's eating flowers. Now back to you. Welcome back to Edie Snack Attack. Let's make our guacamole! That's avocados! Now it's time to open the avocado. Hey, what's that in there? It's the pit. Tip number 1 about avocados. If you don't want the avocado to turn brown, put the pit inside to keep it from turning brown. And then close it up so the seed is nice and safe. Oh, right, we have to take the pit out right now. It's going to make guacamoles. Did I just say guacamoles? Step 1. Smush the avocados into the bowl. Squeeze, squeeze. Cook, you can get messy. Like me. That's the whole fun of cooking. Getting messy. Now, step. Grab a mixer, grab masher, and then mash up avocado. Time for the ingredient number 2, the onion. Jumping in. Ready? And the tomatoes. Also known as tomatoes. Now it's time to mix. This is looking good. Hey, do you think we should add more avocado? Más avocado ahora. O mucho sea. Necesita ahora. Another avocado. Now we have a sister and a brother seed. Ooh, green slime. Octopus. I am an octopus. Now grab your sister and wipe your hands all over her face. Just kidding. Now that's much better. We have more avocado now. Ready? Make it avocado. Make it avocado. Don't tell anybody about my secret guacamole recipe or else. Add the cilantro as the finishing touch. Oh, and some lemon to make it sour. Lemon, also known as lemon. I love Spanish. Squirting some lemon, squirting some lemon. Now time to add the salt. My hands are really slippery. Oh, I'll be back.
No.
I'm just gonna go wash my hands real quick. I'm back. The salt. I'm doing some salt. Doing some salt. I'm doing some salt. Do. Now time to add the garlic powder. Listen, kids, I do not even like tomatoes, but I'm doing this one for you. Okay. Kids out there, make sure that your parents don't find out the secret recipe. And make sure you're only watching this for a secret. Okay, hand over the chips. Abracadabra. Final taste test. That's chip-tastic. Get it? Chip-tastic. Together, I have knocked up for you. Knock, knock. Who's there? Lettuce. Lettuce who? Lettuce in. I'm eating my guacamole. Just eating a delicious thing. Eating my guacamole. Guacamole. Adios amigos, te amo. EdieTV. If you have any questions about my recipe, ask below. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. EdieTV.